Good morning, Twig. How are you? Did you sleep well? There's Hotel Polestar. That their mattress is so good. Feels so much better to sleep on than the swag, which has been sitting out there. And this is our spot. Other campers there. And it's actually raining. I was going to fly the drone, but because the Salt Lake's just there. But oh well. We made it through the night. Our first night camping in Hotel Polestar. Hey, Twig? Okay, no curries for breakfast. They only open the kitchen at 9:30. Twig, you want bacon and egg? But we got a bacon and egg and an English breakfast. And now we're gonna keep going. Yum, yum, yum. All right, look who showed up. Orange MG4. Already on 77. Getting 45 kilowatts. To do the plug share. Cup of tea. And wheat fields. And this is the #1 charger in Australia because it's undercover. Got multiple ports or stations, and it's right next to the roadhouse, toilets and everything, so very good. And the plug share, Twig. Good job. Good job, Twig. All right, we took 21 kilowatt hours, 19 minutes, and we're back 80. And I don't know what it cost me, but not very much. Much less than petrol, eh, Twig? Good girl. All right, we made it to Port Augusta. We're charging at the foreshore. We were getting 118 kilowatts here. It's a 200 kilowatt charger, or 150, one of the two. So Woomera is 173 k's away, and we should get there. Well, we get there 12:30 if we left now. But Twig's had a bit of a walk around the park already. So yeah, this is a very nice charging spot here in Port Augusta, right on the foreshore. The old Chem Powers 58, 108. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Let's go and check out the bay, the water. Twig, come. Twig, come. Up, through. I was trying to get her to go around. Twig's getting her picture taken. Look at that. How cute. Port Augusta, Twig. Here we are, Port Augusta. The very tip of... is this? Yeah, very tip of the Gulf St. Vincent. I was going to say Spencer Gulf, but Gulf St. Vincent. A few boats out. It's a Sunday. Very nice. Twiggy, you've done the plug share. Good job, you're doing the plug share photo, Twig. Good job. Careful of the road. All right. Pretty much almost there. 76, so we'll do it to 90. Just because I'm going to sit on the grass and do the socials and chillax for a little bit. Hey, Twig. Twiggy went for a swim. Twiggy, did you go for a swim? Such a naughty girl. She's all salty. Aha. She probably drank a bunch of seawater too. Naughty dog. Twiggy, come here. Did you go for a swim? All right, Twig's slightly dried off. She's spotted another dog over there. She's having a sticky beak. 90% done. Woohoo! All right, let's unplug and go, go, go. All right, 90%, 410k range, 173 k's to Woomera. It's take 1 hour and 52 minutes. We'll get there at 1:07 with 41%. See if there's any interesting roadside attractions on the way. And let's go. Yes. Here we are in the desert. Well, in the outback. Red sand dunes and a traffic light. We don't even have traffic lights on Kangaroo Island, but we have them here. Look at that. Here we are in the desert. Look at that big salt lake all the way down there with that mountain on it. How cool is that? I don't know if we're going to get closer to it. This is more Nullarbor than the Nullarbor. It's just no trees at all. Okay, we made it and we charged to 70. We made it to Pimba, which is just 6 k's out of Woomera. And good to know that charger's working. We just did to 70 so that we know tomorrow morning we can charge first thing and go all the way to Coober Pedy. Alright, 15 minutes, 20 kilowatt hours. Twiggy, be careful, there might be snakes up in this country, man. My girl. Alright. Closing it up. This is Spud's Roadhouse. Spud's Roadhouse at Pimba, 6 k's out of Woomera and 63 k's I think it was to Roxby Downs where Olympic Dam mine is. So now we can keep going to Woomera and look for somewhere to spend the night. So yeah, it's weird, there's all these big apartments buildings here all through the town, like it's, I would think they look like commie blocks. And lots of random rockets. We're here in the museum and the local newspaper, Gibba Gabba, provided an entertaining mix of news and gossip. Check that out. Living in the desert. Giant radish. The largest radish ever grown in Woomera. Len Bedell, Bush Basher, is a pretty legendary bloke. Fossils. Desert environment, all the animals, sleepy lizard. The mess. And we got a sticker. We got a sticker, check it out. GAF Jindavik, Woomera, South Australia. I have to check that one out. See what it's all about. Len Bedell, surveyor, mapper, outback explorer. And there we are, Woomera and Coober Pedy. I didn't realise Coober Pedy is actually quite far away. It looks further away. There we go. So this is like the cafe. More rockets. There's rockets everywhere. Rockets everywhere in this town. So many rockets. Oh, there's one taking off. I can hear it. So many rockets. There's even a bowling alley. There's squash courts, swimming pool, footy oval. All this stuff in Woomera. The Gibba Gabba newspaper. Extracts from the Gibba Gabba. Woomera Theatre. The Smurfs are showing. How cool is that design? Very 1971. Canberra. Very windy. Testing the noise cancellation. Blue steel. Look at that. How pointy. We've got that blue steel look. There's all crashed rockets, bombs, more rockets. Black Knight, 1958. All the way up there. Very cool mural. Bunga on there. Goanna, emu, skylark, Jindavik drone, Gloucester meteor, and more rock. Captain Norford, North, the meteor. Twin engine fighter reconnaissance. The sea slug. Surface air missile. Surface to air missile. And the big boy. The Black Arrow. Up she goes. All the way up, 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 up. There it is. Okay. Hotel Polestar it is again. My tent post was broken. So we've stashed the swag in the tyre and we set up Hotel Polestar again. So Twig sits here. That's her little section. That's my section. And we're free camping here at Pimba. And it's very noisy. There's people everywhere. So, yeah, looking forward to spending a night in a motel underground in Coober Pedy, having my own space. Aren't you, Twig? Alright, catch you in the morning. See you from Pimba. Good night.